Hello, welcome back to my channel. Alinafe Edwards here. Another day, another video, another like. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. If you are here watching me right now, I assume that it's either you are developing a website, you are planning to develop your own website, or maybe perhaps you just want to have knowledge about websites. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the gateways that you can use as a payment gateway. When customers visit your website, they have purchased something, there are different ways that your customers can pay. One, cash on delivery. It depends with you and how you want it to be done. If it is within your area and you feel like I can do cash on delivery, you can do that. There's that option, cash on delivery. I am in South Africa, Cape Town to be precise, and it's no news that a lot of people, including me, we do most of our shoppings online. Why? Because we really do not have time to be going in and out of the shops, and we have busy lives, so it's easy to buy things online. And as someone who started her own first business online, I know the importance and the advantage of buying online. You cannot buy if there's no payment gateway. You cannot make any purchases, and for website owners, you cannot make a sale without payment access. So cash on delivery, if you're comfortable with cash on delivery, you know that you can deliver and then you get your cash after that. That's what cash on delivery means. You can do that. You can activate that option for cash on delivery on your back end, your website. Number two, direct bank transfers. People, once they make their purchases, once they order and they want to complete the order, you are going to send them an email for their order and where they have to transfer the money, and you, on your order, you are going to give them the banking details. So that's all about direct transfer. Because you may wonder, like, how bank transfer. You are going to set it up on your back end. You are going to put your banking details, and this method also builds trust between you and people who are buying from your website, because they are going to see that it's an actual person. It's a good way of starting your website. It's also one of payments gateway that you can use. Apart from that, some companies will give you access to their platform for your customers to be able to make payments. Secured methods. One of the method is Yoko. If you can use Yoko gateway payment as your payment gateway. For you to be able to use Yoko, you just go to their platform. If you do not have an account, perhaps if this is your first time to know about it, you go to their website, you register, and then once you register, they are going to ask for more information and documents that you need to upload. They have to upload your documents, your identification, and if you are not from South Africa, if you are a foreigner, that means you have to provide a proof of your working permit, whatever working permit you are using, valid working permit, because they are going to verify it before they can give you access to be using their services. They are going to also ask you for your proof of residence, because they want to know that they are dealing with real people, not robots. They want to be sure that they are dealing with real people. So these are three things that they are going to ask you, and if you are going to be able to upload to provide that, after some time they'll send you an email that you can now start using our services, meaning Yoko services. The same applies to Pay Fast. You can also use Pay Fast, and it has multiple options on Pay Fast, but first you have to go to their also website, register. They are going to ask you as well to upload your documents, your proof of identification. What kind of business are you doing? Are you a sole proprietor? Is it a partnership or what have you? And then you are going to fill it, and then they'll also ask you for your proof of residence. You should be able to provide that to make sure that your business exists somewhere. You are a normal human being. You are not also hello what You are not a robot. If you are a foreigner, you need to have a working permit, so you need to upload your documents. It doesn't only stop on your passport or your ID, but if you're a South African, it's just your ID, whatever green card, whatever documentation that you use. So that's all that they need. It's not that very difficult. It's as simple as that. If you are able to provide all that, within they get back to you within 3 to 5 working days, and then they verify your account that everything is in place, and then you can be able to start using their services. When you go to your WordPress, once they have approved of you using their gateway payment, Yoko or PayFast, you are going to be able to activate it on your site. They give you a serial number that you are going to use to make sure that it connects with your WordPress. Yes. And then you'll be able to activate it from your site, and people can start making payments using whatever payment gateway that you have chosen. Or you can also register for all, so that your customers should give preference to your customers who are going to buy from your website, and they are going to trust you that way. We all shop online. We know how we do these payments methods and whatever, but from a web developer point of view, being that I'm in the industry and I've built my own website, I've developed my own website from the scratch, this information that I'm giving you is what I have experienced, is what I went through when I was developing my own website, to make sure that up to date people are able to make purchases. And I included payment gateways. I didn't include cash on delivery because I cannot offer that. I cannot be able. And direct bank transfer, you can do it as well, Yoko and PayFast. As simple as that. I believe this information was helpful to someone. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also, well, make sure you stay safe. Okay, bye.